The Black Diamond Portable Lifter is an electrically powered lifter that can be used to lift heavy objects. It can be folded up for easy storage and transportation. Always use the portable lifter on a hard and flat surface. Never set up on dirt, grass, or soft ground. To begin, release the center screw and unfold the supporting arms. Make sure to re-tighten the center screw. Press on the handle and use your hand to extend all 4 supporting arms to the ground. Shake the cylinder. If the bubble moves out of the circle, the supporting arms are not stable. Adjust the supporting arms and make sure they are fully extended. Shake the cylinder again. If the bubble stays within the circle, you are ready for the next step. Install the top panel onto the cylinder. Tighten the screw and unfold the panel. Then connect the lifter to a power source and pay attention to the voltage requirement of your model. To use the remote control, lightly press the trigger and pull out the switch button to engage the motor. Make sure the reel is rotating in the right direction. When operating the lifter, keep a safe distance and always keep an eye on the top panel. The portable lifter comes with a safety pin feature that limits its maximum height. Read the instruction manual carefully before removing the pins. With the yellow pin in place, the maximum height is 3.6 meters. If you need to go above 3.6 meters, remove the yellow pin. Make sure the portable lifter is completely lowered before removing the pin. With the yellow pin removed, the maximum height is 4 meters. To go beyond 4 meters, remove the red pin as well. Make sure the portable lifter is completely lowered before removing the pin. With both the yellow and the red pins removed, the maximum height is 4.3 meters. When the red cable reaches the reel, this indicates the lifter is at the 4 meter mark and is close to its maximum height. At this point, the lifter is more sensitive, so make sure the load is centered and the shaft is straight, and proceed slowly until the top. If the shaft is tilted, stop. Bring the top panel back down and redistribute the weight to the center. If the weight is too heavy, the clutch will activate. Stop, lower the top panel and reduce the weight. To lower the top panel, Flip the remote control switch to the down direction and press on the trigger. Keep a safe distance and observe the top panel until it reaches the bottom. In case of power outage, you can use the included hand crank or power drill to operate the portable lifter. To use the hand crank or drill, make sure the switch button is pushed in.